Grandpa and his Kim Kardashian Africana. Now the matter don't brief for now today, my people. Make now welcome to this African show. This one they very sweet. When I say as I dey laugh from the beginning. For now we no know am. Now one man, I don't know whether na man, I don't know whether na boy, but anyhow, as I go they see the picture now, make una tell me whether na man or be na boy for the comment section. I beg, no, I be human, I feel make mistake. You understand? The man, I be the boy, now from Guinea, and the lady, they call her African Kim Kardashian. She be from Ivory Coast. No be small love. Una think say una don't see love before. Una still dey learn work. These people, if una see love, chai! It dey hit my head. It dey hungry me to love. I beg, are they single? I just say tell una in case. My people, so this very couple now na the latest in town. Their love too dey strong. Again, when they want do anniversary, ladies, learn how to treat your man. It is very important. This girl carry the boy go spa. If you see treatment, oh Lord, forget it. They give her treatment. The boy even they dance, as in, sorry, the man. I beg make Charlie, watch the video. I want make una see how this boy they happy.
Voilà, for the boulot. Signe de la go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Grandpa. Ok, donne-moi le son. On va chanter ça pour grand-père. Yeah. Et ça doucine. Yeah. Applaudissez pour Alexis. Il a fait là-haut. Il a fait. La femme de grand-père.
Comporter, où dans la hora, on a encore le comporter. On va continuer au comporter là, à la veille. La Guinée gelée, on a encore le comporter.
Voilà,
voilà. Au comporter, voilà. Et donc si on a bé, on a on a yaki. Au comporter à la veille.
Love good. Una see love good. When money they involve, love they very good. But the thing now, see, two rumors they go round now. Now wetin bring me here today. The first one be say, people come dey talk say now, this lady, African Kim Kardashian, she no love this man. Say she dey with the man because of the money. Now so she come out come talk say no, say she no dey with him because of money. Say she love him, say they don't dey together. I no can understand. My people, wetin una think? Because now matter where they ground, we say this guy they suffer from progeria. For now we no know wetin be that. Now one disease, one sickness where they born pikin with, and they make the child look ×8 of his age. So now imagine this boy now, if he be 30 something, but now no go know. Now the kind sickness where they born out with. And now they say this thing, you know, they allow people to live long. So maybe this guy don't use her head calculate because the guy rich, he get property. So now if this guy die, hey, she don't reach. Now the rumors where they go round, and I still want to know our opinion. And then the second one now, hey, manager, they say the Kim Kardashian they sleep with the bros manager. Hey, see, I know be from my mouth when I go hear case, but if una ask me, smoke no day, way fire no day. If it be possible, no, wait till I expect. See the boy now, you know fi. No be everything I go speak now. You know if you do this thing well. So she need person way. You understand? So now the boy, if you be say the boy know they do away. Even this boy say, even if I thought you want try, how many minutes? Una see load. Ah no, this girl she need trailer. This boy na toy, na he still dey learn work. So I no go dey surprised. I no thought say she do oh. I no thought say she no do. But I just dey thought say if the thing happen, now understand? Now that one go be the reason. Women, see the size difference. Chai! Nati say this boy no fit handle this machine too heavy for him now. If this machine come with manual instruction and the boy no fit read am, the English too hard. So una suppose understand. Una get for una wey get sense, una gonna understand my point. But no wahala, na the matter wey dey ground now. Wetin una think? My people, una know say without una nothing dey happen. So I need una for this discussion. Wetin una think? Una think say this boy and this girl love no real? Maybe na the boy dey love am. She know they love the boy because of money. Abi the manager part. Una think say the manager dey service the machine? Abi I need know una opinion. Abi write am there.